Hi there, I'm Chris for Carson's Bazaar, and today we're going to be taking a look at this TTCombat Dice Tower. So the Dice Tower, it's made of MDF laser cut from TTCombat, who I'm a pretty big fan of. I've got a couple of the building sets and can't recommend them enough. This stuff's really cheap, like cheap priced, really good quality, so cannot falter them at all there. So let's see what we've got. We've got two boards of laser cut MDF. Really easy to pop off the sprue. The instructions for these kits are on the website for TTCombat. I'll put a link below. And I've had a quick look at the instructions, and it seems pretty easy to put together. So I'm going to be doing this blind. Just got to off the front picture there just to refresh. Okay, so looks like we've got this on here. So as you can see, this thing's just slotting together nicely. The only one I'm having a bit of problem with is this one at the bottom here. I'll sort that one out after. I'm just going to give this a little bit of a file, so I'll be right back. Okay, so I've just given this this piece a little file along the edge there, because I think it might have been a little bit too thick just to fit in, but a lot easier to fit in now. And then it's the other side. So that's the problem when you're building this thing blind. Do some things in the wrong order. Okay, So just pop in. Front plate on. And we have the Dice Tower belt. So I kind of made that a bit more difficult than it had to be, just because I hadn't had the instructions on my phone or anything like that. Because like I say, they're on the website for TTCombat, TTCombat.com, and you just download them onto your phone and you can build them off of there. So I'm just going to go and grab some dice and we'll get this thing working. Okay, so I've grabbed a bunch of different dice here. Got D20, D12, D10, D8. I've got two different size D6 and the D4 as well. So put them all through there. They've all come out fine. Just lifts away and you've got your dice there. So you can get away from people doing dice rolling techniques, because although the dice hate me, I've been rolling lots of ones in here. There's no dice rolling techniques going on to this one. Although I'm sure my friend Mike will say otherwise. So that's the TTCombat Dice Tower. As you've seen, really easy to build, particularly if you have the instructions beside you. I did this blind, took a few minutes. Doesn't even need glue, it all just clips together, and it's cheap, it's effective, good quality, couldn't be happier.